Introduction to SQL Server Analysis Services. What is SSAS? What is SSAS? SQL Server Analysis Services is Microsoft's platform for creating analytical models that enable business users to make sense of large amounts of data. It's a core part of Microsoft's business intelligence stack, which also includes integration services and reporting services. SSAS enables users to analyze data quickly and efficiently, work with data in a structured, business-friendly format, builds models that feed tools like Excel, Power BI, and reporting services. Continuation to what is SSAS. There are two there are two models of analysis services: the multidimensional mode and the tabular mode. The multidimensional mode uses cubes to represent data, best for complex aggregations and advanced BI analytics, supports multidimensional online analytical processing, relational online analytical processing, hybrid online analytical processing. Hybrid online analytical processing also combines the strengths of both relational online analytical processing and multidimensional analytical processing. Tabular mode or tabular mode uses tables and columns like a relational database based on the X velocity in memory engine, uses DAX for calculation, easier and more modern compared to multi-dimensional mode. Key concepts: a data source, connection to the database or data warehouse, data source view, a logical model of the data used in a cube or model, especially a view, essentially a view over your database. Dimensions: descriptive attributes like time, product, customer, used to slice and dice data. Measures and measure groups: numerical data like sales, profit, time. Measure groups: fact tables are your fact tables. Cubes, multi-dimensional only. You only get cubes when you're dealing with a multi-dimensional only. Aggregated data structures combining measures and dimensions. KPIs, key performance indicators to track business goals. Modes of analysis server. Continued. So here we have a table of multi-dimensional and tabular showing the features. Multi-dimensional uses cubes created with MDX, great for large-scale complex analytics. Tabular, simpler, faster, uses DAX, preferred for integration with Power BI and modern Power BI needs. How do you know which mode you should run on? You'll decide which mode to use based on the data complexity and data complexity, user requirements, and performance needs. Languages used. MDX is the multi-dimensional expression for querying multi-dimensional models. DAX is data analysis expression used for tabular models. XMLA for analysis used for management and deployment. Analysis server in practice. Data modeling, design your star or snowflake schemas in your data warehouse, creates dimensions and fact tables. Model building. In SQL Server Data Tools, create a new analysis server project, define your data source and views, build your dimensions and measure groups, or tables with relations, or tables with relationships. Deploy, deployment. Deploy the SSAS model to an analysis services server instance. Processing. Load and aggregate the data, usually called processing the model. Querying. Use tools like Excel, Power BI, SSMS, or custom applications. When to use SSAS, use case, tools, and models. So for complex uh, aggregation use case, multidimensional is best. For simple BI modeling, fast setup, tabular is best. For integration with Power BI and other modern modern BI tools, tabular is best using DAX. For historical data analysis, both work perfectly fine, multidimensional and tabular.